Hi everyone! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Frozen Elsa cake. Let's get right to it. We're going to make these DIY aluminum foil molds for crystals. I printed diamonds and crystals images, cut it off and pasted on a thin styrofoam. It took a while to cut them all out. For the diamonds, I had an octagon and some diamond shape. Prepare small pieces of aluminum foil, put a shaped styrofoam in it. Shape the foil, make sure it is flat and try not to have wrinkle, otherwise it will be difficult to tear the foil apart from the isomalt crystals. When the foil is shaped, take out the styrofoam. I like to stick them on the silicone mat with adhesive tape, so they do not move easily. Make the isomalt diamonds. Make sure turn off the gas stove once it reaches 333 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 167 Celsius. Sometimes I couldn't turn it off in time and the temperature reached 190 Celsius, but it's okay. Now for the crystals, I want them to be transparent. And I also made some spikes. Draw the desired lines. I dyed some crystal sugar and turned them into little diamonds. Put them on kitchen towel sheet to let dry. Apply vegetable oil to make diamonds shine. For this DIY pearl crown, please watch my other tutorial video. Sprinkle some shredded coconut around to imitate snow. Fill the gaps with shredded coconut. And we're done. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please click like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you next time.